11 Amazing Benefits of Petroleum Jelly. Hey! Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell and listen carefully. 1. Vaseline to heal wounds. It is a natural lubricant that is rich in moisturizing properties. Also, it is made up of long-chain hydrocarbons that restore your moisture and let the cuts and wounds heal faster. Pure petroleum jelly benefits also include healing of the minor burns. 2. Petroleum jelly uses for nails. Most of us will spend money on the expensive manicure and pedicure treatments. But, along with them, personal is also necessary. Especially our nails become dry as we never take any for them. So, rub a little quantity of petroleum jelly on your nails before you go to bed. The Vaseline will give a glossy look to your nails and also prevent hanging nails problem. So, use Vaseline to prevent hanging nails and get the naturally bright looking nails. 3. How to avoid dry hair with Vaseline. One amazing property of Vaseline is, it melts quickly at the body temperature. So, if you are tired of grooming your dry hair, just use petroleum jelly to treat dry hair. Vaseline, due to its moisturizing properties, fixes your dry hair problem and also restore the moisture for a long time. According to the length and volume of your hair, take a spoonful or 2 of Vaseline in a cup or bowl. Take a small amount of petroleum jelly and rub it on your hands and apply it to your hair from roots to tips. Leave it for 40 to 60 minutes and then take a shower. Use this petroleum jelly for hair remedy at least once in a week. 4. Benefits of petroleum jelly on face. Vaseline petroleum jelly uses for skin are innumerable. You just can't get away from the harsh winters without this amazing product. If we use petroleum jelly for face, it restores the moisture and does not let it dry for longer hours even though you do not apply it frequently. So, dab petroleum jelly to face in the nighttime and let it moisturize and repair your skin throughout the night. Benefits of Vaseline on skin are many, from restoring your moisture to preventing the acne. So, use it regularly before you step out of your home and also before you go to bed. You can replace your body lotion with the Vaseline petroleum jelly cream. Vaseline for face benefits also includes delaying the aging process. The hydration system helps in collagen buildup and reduce the aging signs. So, do not ignore these wonderful Vaseline benefits for skin or the petroleum jelly skin benefits. 5. How to use Vaseline to get long eyelashes. It's every girl's wish to have long and curled eyelashes naturally. But, the only thing we do to get the result is applying mascara or using fake lashes. So, from now just throw them away. Start using Vaseline to your lashes before you go to bed regularly. It not only relaxes your eyes but also improve your lashes appearance. Vaseline benefits for eyes not only includes getting long eyelashes, but you can also use petroleum jelly for eyebrows to get thicker and long eyebrows. 6. Petroleum jelly uses for everlasting fragrance. In our day-to-day life, we use various perfumes to enhance our mood or just to smell good. But, the fragrance disappears within no time. So, to increase the duration of the fragrance, rub a small amount of petroleum jelly on pulse points before you spray the perfume. Vaseline petroleum jelly cream can make the scent last longer than before. It is one of the best benefits of Vaseline that you can trust. 7. Get the benefits of petroleum jelly for lips. Chapped lips are not only hurting but also makes you look a bit weird if you apply lipstick. So, to stay away from this awkward situation, know how to use Vaseline for lips. Apply Vaseline petroleum jelly on your lips before you go to bed and leave it overnight. Also, before you apply your lipstick, just apply a thin layer of Vaseline and then apply your lipstick. Also, the Vaseline heals the dark lips and make them look pink. 8. Vaseline to heal cracked feet. Benefits of using Vaseline include healing the cracked feet. We all invest huge sum and attention on your beautiful face. The only thing that we do for our feet is pedicure. But, this is not what your feet need. They need some moisturizer that can heal the cracks and let them stay soft and supple. So, apply petroleum jelly on your feet and wear a pair of socks and leave them overnight. If you do this just for a week or two, you can see your feet very soft and gentle. Vaseline works like magic on your feet, which makes it one of the most effective benefits of petroleum jelly. Use this petroleum jelly for hands after doing kitchen work to maintain the softness. 9. Petroleum jelly to remove makeup. Vaseline for face benefits is many in number. In fact, it is the best makeup remover you can use regularly. It doesn't irritate your eyes even if a little amount of it touches your inner eye. I have been a regular user of this remedy, and I'm pretty happy with this best remedy. So, use the Vaseline petroleum jelly cream to remove makeup instantly without any irritation. Besides removing eye makeup, Vaseline benefits for eyes include cooling effect. The tired eyes can get instant relaxation if you massage the Vaseline cream above your eyes, keeping them closed. 10. Diaper rash treatment. We all knew one or few benefits of petroleum jelly for adults. But, we don't have knowledge on the petroleum jelly uses for baby. So, learn how to use petroleum jelly for babies. One of the best petroleum jelly uses includes treating the diaper rash. Diaper rash is the most common problem seen in the infants. For those infants who are sensitive to chemical lotions and creams, you can use the Vaseline petroleum jelly. Just dab a little amount of Vaseline cream on your child's bum where the rash persists. You can use this regularly before putting the diapers. Vaseline petroleum jelly cream prevents or reduces the friction between the diaper and their skin and let them stay away from rashes. 11. Petroleum jelly for dry skin. Last but not the least, we can also use this petroleum jelly for dry skin treatment. Dry skin is the most common problem that we face in winter. The dryness will also cause roughness of the skin, which causes irritation. So, use petroleum jelly for dry skin regularly to make it feel soft and to retain the moisture. Also, the Vaseline Deep Moisture Creamy formula can let your skin hydrated for longer hours, unlike general body lotions. Before applying these recommendations, consult your doctor. Put a like under this video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell and share this video with your friends.